Hey guys, it's Shubham here back with another video. So today I'm gonna unbox the cheapest iPhone that I found on the internet, which is the iPhone 5C. I got this amazing deal on the Mobile Go. I got this iPhone just for the 3,999, which is really good deal in my opinion. So let's unbox and let's see how good this device is. It took them 10 days to deliver this phone to me. So I guess that's a lot of time, but it was a free delivery, so I don't mind that at all. So here's some of the warranty stuff that I'm gonna put this on the aside. So yeah, on the box you will get this Mobile Go branding, and it's same on the back as you can see. So now let me unbox this. So even though if you buy the flawless condition, you won't get the original box. You will get basically the branding of the Mobile Go. So let me unbox and let's see how good this device is. So here's the iPhone. I'm just gonna put this aside. Let's see what else is in the box. And here you get the SIM ejector tool, the charger. Oh god, the charger looks pretty bad in my opinion. It's not original charger obviously. And here's the lightning port. As you can see, it's also in the bad condition. It's not even wrapped properly, so I'm not really fan of this unboxing. So here's the stuff that I got. I really don't like this charger at all. It seems very cheap, and here you can see the dirt on this charger. So someone already used this before. And here's the iPhone. So let's see how good the iPhone condition is. And as you can see, the iPhone condition doesn't look that bad. There are some dust on the back, as you can see. Can you see that? So yeah, it's not in the best condition, I would say. Also, there are no scratches on the front. Keep in mind that this phone is refurbished. So let me turn this on and let's see how good the device quality is overall. So I just finished the setup. So now let's see some of its features. So as you can see, you will get that basic iOS 10. And let me go to the settings and let's see if we can update this. And as you can see, the latest iOS is the 10.3.3, and you won't able to update this at all. So because this phone has iOS 10, you can't install all the latest app including YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, every other app. You won't able to install all those apps unless you have iOS 12 or upper version of the iOS. So as you can see, you won't able to install any of those apps because this phone has iOS 10. And if you want to install the compatible app, you still need a latest iPhone with iOS 12 or the latest version of the iOS. So let me play some music and let me show you guys. So just because the main YouTube app doesn't work doesn't mean you can't install any other YouTube app that's on the App Store. So I found this VanStube, which is basically a YouTube app. It's not as good as the YouTube, but yeah, it can play some videos from the YouTube. So I'm just gonna play some of the no copyright sound music. So here's NCS.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow.
Now I really like the sound quality of this speaker of this phone. So now let me let's check out the camera. And here, as you can see, you will get that basic camera. Now this camera isn't great, but considering that this phone is 9 years old, I think the camera is pretty decent. So here's you get HDR option and everything works perfectly fine. You will also get the video up to 1080p resolution. Now you won't get 4K, which is acceptable considering this phone is like 9 or 10 years old. Also you will get that panorama option and the square option as well, so if you want to take like this photo. Other than that, you won't get many features. You will get some filters, as you can see. Basically change the color tune. One complaint I have with the Mobile Go is they on their website they literally claim that this phone does have 12 megapixel camera, which isn't true. This device does have 8 megapixel on the back and I guess 1 or 2 megapixel on the front. So that's very misleading. Mobile Go should change that because it is misleading. And here's some of the photos I took with this phone. Here's the video that I made with this phone. So in comes to the camera, this phone is very decent, not too bad, not too good. So I just installed the few games that supported on this phone. So let's play and let's see how good they perform. So this is the hill climb racing, one of the oldest game, and I really like this game. So this game is still get like frame drops, even though this game does support this iOS version. In comes to the battery, I think this phone lasts for like at least 2 to 3 hours. Overall, I do not recommend this device unless you want to just use this for listening to music or just doing simple tasks like writing a mail, or you just like small smartphone. I guess that makes sense, but make sure just always keep in mind that this phone does not support any latest app unless you have the latest iPhone. So you won't able to install YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, any of those apps. So if you're fine without them, I think buy this smartphone. It's not that bad. But if you want to use them, I would recommend to buy iPhone 6 if your budget can get little high. And if you want to buy this, make sure you buy the 34GB version, because 16GB version is not good, because that only gonna have like at least 10GB space that you can use. So at least buy one that has little bit more space, just for if you're taking pictures or listening to music, you will get extra storage. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe and do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.